Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make truffle cake at home. First, gather all your ingredients, including cocoa powder, sugar, and heavy cream. Make sure your cake pans are ready, lined with parchment paper for easy release. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. These initial steps ensure a smooth baking process and a delicious outcome for your homemade truffle cake. Now, let's bake those delicious cake layers. Start by combining your dry ingredients, then gently fold in the wet ingredients until just combined. Pour the batter evenly into two 8-inch round cake pans. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let them cool completely before moving on. The heart of any truffle cake is its rich ganache. Heat 1 cup of heavy cream in a saucepan until it just begins to simmer. Remove from heat and pour it over 8 ounces of finely chopped dark chocolate. Let it sit for a minute, then stir until it's completely smooth and glossy. Allow the ganache to cool slightly to a spreadable consistency. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Carefully level your cooled cake layers if needed. Spread a generous amount of ganache between the layers, then cover the entire cake with the remaining ganache, creating a smooth, decadent finish. For the best texture and flavor, chill your truffle cake for at least 30 minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.